so much for being here. I hope each and every one of you are having an absolutely amazing day. I am so excited. As you can see from the description below, we do have a new subscription box to our channel. I am so excited to unbox it. And if you saw the title, you saw that it is Mother Nature's Box. So I cannot wait to open this. But a little bit first that I want to go over is, again, thank you for being here. If you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. And as always, leave a comment telling me how your day is going and what you thought of the unboxing. Also, as a reminder, don't forget we have the current giveaway going on in my Disney Villains Color Pop video. It is for the Show Me Your Moo Brie robe from FabFitFun and a brand new Michael Kors wallet. Also, we are so close to 2,000 subscribers, and once we hit that, we are going to have an amazing giveaway. I'm so excited. So, but first two, before we open, a little bit about Mother Nature's Box. It is your monthly gift to kind of pamper yourself, self-care, you know, things like that to get you through that week of the month that may not be the easiest to get through. They send snacks and just different things. Some of their snacks are from, you know, they're all over from all over the world, so it's always exciting to see. And I will make sure to put a link down below to them, to their website, as well as their Instagram if you would like to check them out. Now, the Mother Nature's box is $35 a month, but I think, you know, it's a good price to treat yourself, especially during that time of the month, or any time of the month, honestly. So, let's take a look and see. So you open it and it says, enjoy your special gift, or your special gift, enjoy. And it looks like there is a card here. So let's take a look at that. And it says, thanks for choosing Mother Nature's Box. We believe that every woman deserves a pamper day. 10% of our profit goes towards improving access to menstrual products for women in Africa and the Caribbean. Awesome. They give back. I love that. Enjoy our products and special treats while improving the lives of women in developing countries. She is clothed with strength and dignity and laughs without fear of the future. Awesome. I love when subscription boxes give back. I think that is super fantastic. So let's peel back or take off the tissue paper. And then this is what we see inside. So let's dive in. I'm excited. Now this was sent to me for review, so I am super excited to have the opportunity to share this with you guys. So let me know your thoughts, but let's just get started. So what is this? Premium Nature Dead Sea Mud Mask. Oh, yay. So we have this guy right here, and that's a good size. It's 8.8 ounces. So that is awesome. Wash your skin with soap, rinse well, then apply a thin layer of mud to wet skin, massaging in a gentle circular motion. Leave the mud on for 7 to 12 minutes. Do not allow it to dry completely. Use a wet, lukewarm washcloth and lay it on your face for a few seconds to soften the mask. Finally, rinse off the rest with warm water. So, yay for mud mask, right? I am excited for that guy. Oh, do we have a treat? Choco pie. This is... says chocolate pie, and then it says with marshmallow filling. So it looks almost like two cookies. And in the middle is a marshmallow filling coated in chocolate. So yum. Chocolate's good any time of the month, but especially that time of the month. And then it looks like here we have 2 bath bombs. So those are perfect for Pamper Me spa days. This one is vanilla and it soothes muscles. can't really smell. It's wrapped up really, really well. And then this one is green tea, and it says refresh your brain. Yep, can't really smell. So soothing muscles and refreshing your brain. Perfect for any time, really. But again, especially for that time. Let's see. We have here, this looks like some tea. We have 2 packets here. This is from Greenfield. This is a black tea and spring medley. So we have those right there. Let's see. Delicious astringency that is characteristic of expensive teas from India, spicy thyme and cool peppermint notes. Create a unique bouquet of Greenfield Spring Medley that is light, bright, and as fresh as spring breath. Tender aroma reminiscent of fragrant grass underlines the original flavors. Excellently refreshing and thirst-quenching drink. Use 1 tea bag per person for a cup. Okay. So yay for some yummy, refreshing tea. Use that with the bath bombs and just relax. Let's see. Ooh, we have some sheet masks. Okay. The first one. Oh, these are from Bath & Body Works. Totally tea-rific. Tea tree oil and licorice root extract. Which is right here. And then keep it fruity. Papaya and tea extract. So, yay. So these are from Bath & Body Works, but on the back they do say made in Korea. So these are K-Beauty sheet mask, but from Bath & Body Works. Yay, awesomeness. I love sheet masks so much. So yay. I don't know that I've ever had one with papaya, so I'm excited for that guy. So yay for some sheet mask. And then it looks like we have 2 more snacks. Not sure what this one is. So I'm not going to open it. Feels like a little round, maybe cookies or something in there. Crackers, something. That's what it's feeling like, but I'm not exactly sure. But yay for some more snacks. Same thing here. This feels like one big cookie or something. So yay. Again, some of their snacks do come from, you know, around the world, which is awesome. Well, we have some more goodies down here. These look like, oh, now this is a cappuccino candy. Yay. And then we have, I'm not sure, because they are written in another language. I'm not sure if it's Chinese or Japanese but I can see strawberry. I can see like, well, I thought it was apple, but maybe not. And then, not sure what this is either. We have some hard candies. So I think it's fun to try different snacks. Obviously, you guys know I do Munch Pack and Universal Yums, so I am always about trying different snacks and stuff from around the world. So I think that is awesome. And let's see, we have this guy right here taped up. Oh. This is from the Organic Shop. Organic Lemongrass and Sugar Body Scrub. No paraben silicones. Awesome. 99.54% natural. Certified organic. Awesome. And this, again, this is such a good size. 8.5 fluid ounces. So this is what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that smells so good. Like, so refreshing and just... Yummy. Even though it's a body scrub, I want to say yummy. And let's see, it looks like we have one more item in here. Yep. And I'm not sure what this is, but it looks beautiful. Like, so gorgeous. Sparkly gold chevron bag. Nice canvas bag. And that is the inside. So this would actually be something great. You could like put pads or tampons or something in. Or even if you wanted to use it like as a makeup case. There's so many uses for this. But this is super adorable. Like... just absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, it's a good size. It feels very well made. And yeah, because I mean, yeah, like I said, you could always put some stuff in here, keep it in your purse, keep it in your car, wherever you need to for that time of the month. Or like I said, makeup bag or something. So many uses. We can always use great bags, especially cute ones. So I'm excited. So we got the sugar scrub, this adorable canvas, very well made, you guys. I can't like tell you guys enough how well made this is. It just feels like a really nice bag. And then we have the 2 bath bombs right here. The vanilla and the green tea. We have the Dead Sea mud mask. And again, this and the sugar scrub, they are not skimping on size. These are full size items, you guys. We have the 2 tea bags, the spring medley. And then we had the snacks right here. Some different snacks there. And then the candies. So yay for those. And then of course the last 2 were the Bath and Body Works sheet mask. So yay. So I am super excited with this box. I think it is a great way to treat yourself, pamper yourself, self-care, especially during that time of the month because we all need it. So let me know what you guys thought down below. Don't forget, please do hit subscribe if you have not already. And do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.